Thousands of people turned out in the western Honduran town of La Esperanza to pay their respects and demand justice for the murder of environmental and indigenous rights activist Berta Caceres. Protesters walked under a banner that read "Indigenous woman fighter, defender of the environment. We demand justice. Berta Caceres lives." The mourners filed into Berta's home, where local women sat in darkness holding candles, in the very place where the 43-year-old schoolteacher was gunned down just days ago. The country has one of the highest murder rates in the world, but this time it wasn't a drug-related or gang-related murder. It wasn't a robbery gone wrong. It was the murder of an internationally recognised activist who for years had reported death threats and requested government protection to no avail. According to the UN Office on Drugs and Crime, the murder rate has risen steadily for the past decade in the impoverished Central American country, which lies along the drug smuggling path between the producer countries in South America and the consumer countries of US and Canada. Caceres' daughter thinks not enough is being done to protect people who speak out. She says everyday fighters are being murdered, and the murder of our mother, an internationally recognised and prize-winning fighter, is proof that they will continue, that repression will continue in this country. That's why we are calling on those who protect the fighters, because we want this to be the last time that we ask for justice for a fighter. Honduran President Juan Orlando Hernandez said that Caceres' murder would not go unpunished. But protesters have called for his resignation, saying his administration turns a blind eye to rampant corruption at all levels of government, including the police, military, judiciary and officials.